My name is Maurizio Montalti. I'm really privileged and flattered to be here at Frankfurter Kunstverein for the exhibition Bending the Curve. And in fact, we are today here as part of the exhibition and of the specific installation, Reciprocity. And Reciprocity is a title that relates to matters of relation among humans, myself, my colleagues, my collaborators, and fungi. If we look at fungi in nature, their role is the one of great decomposers, of great disassemblers. Fungi are the organisms responsible for undergoing cycles of decomposition and transformation of all different types of substrates. This matter of relation is key when thinking about, again, switching and shifting towards an approach where collaboration and partnering with organisms other than human becomes central to the discussion. As in fact, it's not anymore about taking, but it is about understanding each other. It is about cooperating. So ultimately, it is an invite, the one to join Bending the Curve, not only to meet such incredible kingdom and all the opportunities that they elicit, but also to fundamentally reconsider our role within not only society, but something that goes beyond human society, a society that embraces the many, that embraces the other,